Hello everyone, I'm Sarah of Rich Textures Crochet and welcome. Today we're going to be learning how to crochet the timber stitch, and I'm really liking this stitch. It has a really unique looking texture. It's not too thick, it's not too dense. It's really quite nice. Similar on the front as it is on the back, and it's a fairly easy stitch to work. I'm thinking blankets, bags, you name it. This is just a really neat stitch. Today for the tutorial, I'm going to be using a 5mm or an H8 crochet hook. This is one of the Furls streamline metal hooks. I'm also going to be using the Basic Stitch Anti-Pilling Yarn by Lion brand, which is a medium or worsted weight acrylic yarn. You'll find links to these items in the description of this video. Also down in the description, you'll find a direct link to the free written instructions, which are on my website at richtexturescrochet.com. So thank you so much for joining me. Again, while you're here, I invite you to subscribe, say hello down in the comments, and take a look around. This channel is updated every single week with free crochet patterns and stitch tutorials. Let's grab our hooks and yarn and get started. Now our stitch today is worked in rows. We're going to start by making a slip knot and then by working a foundation chain. Our foundation chain today is going to be a multiple of 2 stitches plus 1. So today I'm going to start by chaining 21. There's 20 for my multiple of 2, plus 1 for 21. For row 1, we're going to begin by working a single crochet 2 together in the 3rd and 4th chains from our hook. So skip the first 2 chains, 1, 2, into that 3rd chain, insert your hook, yarn over, and draw up a loop. Insert your hook into the next chain, yarn over, draw up a loop. With 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. You're then going to chain 1. You're going to repeat that across, working a single crochet 2 together in the next 2 stitches. Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop. 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops and chain 1. Repeat that all the way across to your final stitch. At the end of your row 1, you're going to finish off the row by working a chain 1 and then a half double crochet into the final stitch. Chain 2 and turn your work. Now for rows 2 and every row hereafter, you're essentially going to repeat row 1, beginning in your first chain 1 space and into the top of the next stitch. Chain 1. So work a single crochet 2 together, beginning in the next chain 1 space, and in the top of the next stitch, yarn over, pull through all 3, chain 1. You're going to repeat this all the way across. Single crochet 2 together, always beginning in that chain 1 space. All the way across until you come to your turning chain. When you come to your final stitch, you're going to once again finish off with a chain 1 and then work a half double crochet into the chain 2 space at the end. Chain 2, turn your work, and repeat. That's all there is to working this crochet timber stitch pattern. So continue to repeat that row 2 for as long as you would like, then fasten off, weaving your ends, and that's it. So thank you so much for joining me. While you're here, once again, I invite you to take a look around. Don't forget to subscribe. This channel is updated every single week. If you happen to try this stitch or make something with it and share it on social media, do be sure to tag Rich Textures Crochet. I always love to come by and admire your work. Until next time, happy crocheting. Bye.